Ever wondered how a tiny zygote transforms into a fully developed baby within a span of 9 months? Welcome to the fascinating journey of fetal development. The story begins with an event that is as miraculous as it is commonplace: conception. This is when a single sperm from the father penetrates the mother's egg, resulting in a zygote. This single-cell zygote then starts dividing rapidly, forming a ball of cells known as a blastocyst. By the end of the first month, this blastocyst embeds itself into the mother's uterine lining, marking the start of the embryonic stage. Here, the cells differentiate into 3 layers, each destined to form different parts of the baby's body. The inner layer, known as the endoderm, will become the digestive system and the lungs. The middle layer, or mesoderm, will form the heart, muscles, bones, and blood vessels. The outer layer, the ectoderm, is destined to become the nervous system, skin, and hair. By the 8th week, the embryo measures about 1 inch long, and most major organs have begun to form. The heart is beating, the brain is developing, and the face is starting to take shape. We now enter the fetal stage, which begins from the 9th week and continues until birth. This is when the baby starts to look more like a human, with fingers, toes, and eyes that are clearly visible. By the end of the 3rd month, the baby can open and close its tiny fists, and even begin to suck its thumb. Come the 6th month, and the baby's skin becomes less transparent as fat begins to accumulate. The baby can now hear sounds and even respond to them. As we move into the final trimester, the baby continues to grow and mature. The lungs are developing and preparing for breathing, while the brain is rapidly growing. By the time the baby is ready to be born, it is fully formed and ready to begin life outside the womb. So, to summarize this miraculous journey, it begins with a single cell that divides and differentiates into specialized cells, forming the embryo. The embryo then transforms into a fetus, which grows and matures until it's ready to enter the world. From conception to birth, it's a complex, intricate process that's nothing short of a miracle. It's a journey that has been taking place for millions of years, and yet each time it happens, it's a unique individual journey. And that's the beauty of fetal development. What starts as a single cell ends up as a fully developed baby ready to make its mark on the world. A process so intricate, so complex, yet so beautifully simple. A journey of creation, of life itself.